Well, as flu season takes hold of El Paso tonight, health officials are sounding the alarm after the city reported its first flu-related death of the season. Now, the victim, a young girl under the age of 13 with underlying health conditions, serves as a tragic reminder of just how serious the flu can be. And we're here to talk about how you can keep yourself and your family safe. Now, Julia Spencer is joining us now to break down what we know about this case, why flu numbers are rising, and what you can do to protect yourself and your loved ones. So, Julia, tell us, what else do we know about the first flu-related death here in El Paso this season?
So far this year, there's been one flu-related death, and it's kind of unfortunate. So a little girl, younger than the age of 13, she became the first victim. She ended up dying because of the flu, but she did have some underlying health conditions as well. So it's a little unfortunate about that.
Yeah, so Julia, what do the numbers say, and how do we match up to previous years?
So going all the way back, from last year, 2023, numbers show that the city is actually reporting that they had a total of 722 flu-related cases. But the year before that, going a little further back, those numbers were lower, about 280 cases lower. So that number was 442 flu cases. You know, right now we don't know what the cases are looking like currently, but from those numbers alone, you could tell it was kind of a lot. Yeah,
pretty big difference there. So what are the precautions that health experts are giving us and making sure that we're protecting ourselves from this as the peak of flu season is upon us?
So some of the basics, wash your hands, make sure you're safe. They also do warn, it's a holiday season. It's busy. Everyone wants to go out and go to these big holiday events. They want to hang out with their family. However, they're kind of warning people, like, if you're sick, if you have any of these symptoms, just stay home. Keep it safe, because you could harm the kids, you could harm your elders, you could harm those that are pregnant. So the doctors, they definitely want to warn you. And we have some sound from them, I believe, too.
We send our thoughts and prayers to the family of the case.
If the children are going to if they start getting sick, we want to make sure that they're protected.
This is an unfortunate news, but also gives us the opportunity to tell the people that a lot of complications can be prevented.
Yeah, so you heard it there first. The doctors are warning people, be careful, be safe. The holidays is a busy season, and everyone's about to go on those vacations and breaks. So if you're out there and you have any plans, just make sure you're careful and do what they say.
Yeah, and I think we're going to hear a little bit more from an infectious control director at El Paso's Children's Hospital.
Once you start seeing that your child is not acting themselves, bluish lips, the fever is greater than 104, it just doesn't go down, they're not drinking water, then you need to make sure that you seek medical attention.
Yeah, well, definitely a lot for parents to be aware of. Thank you so much, Julia. We appreciate you being here and sharing this information with us.
Yeah, of course. Thank you, Vanya.
Thank you.